You can find this recipe along with other great recipes in Volume 1 and Volume 2 of Alkaline Meal Ideas Cookbook at alkalinemealideas.com. So here I have some oyster mushrooms that have been washed and cleaned. I have some chickpea batter, which is basically chickpea flour, water with a little sea salt, cayenne pepper, thyme, oregano, and basil. I also have some spelt flour, and I've added seasonings to that as well: sea salt, cayenne pepper, thyme, oregano, and basil as well. You can also season this according to your preference. And I also have a baking pan that I have lined with parchment paper because these are going to be baked instead of fried. So I did go ahead and coat my oyster mushrooms, but unfortunately I did not record that part. I basically just dipped it into the chickpea batter mixture and then into the flour mixture to coat it. Now I'm spraying it evenly with some grapeseed oil. This will help it to not have flour patches once it bakes. So I've gone ahead and coated it completely with the grapeseed oil, and this is what it looks like. And you want to bake this on 350 degrees, 10 minutes per side. So it's been baking for 10 minutes. I've turned it over and I'm going to bake it for an additional 10 minutes. So this is what the mushrooms look like after they baked for an additional 10 minutes, and they are done. And you can see they are nice and juicy on the inside. They are really flavorful and tender, but they have a nice crispy outer coating, and they are absolutely delicious. And I just had these with a little bit of home fries that I made with some burro bananas. And there you have it.